What up, family? It's your boy, King of Batunda, back again with yet another episode. I'm just walking away from my Airbnb. I had to go drop my bag off. It's a little bit too early for me to check in, so I can't do no checking in right now. But I told you guys I'm just gonna get situated real quick, and then I'm gonna give you my first impressions of the town so far. So let me start off by saying my impressions of this area will be based off of two things. One, from where I'm originally from, America, and of course where I'm coming from, Uganda. I'm gonna try not to compare too much, but because I'm gonna save all of that for another video. So basically, right now, the weather. Let's talk about weather. The weather here, the environment here is very nice. It's like normal beach weather, basically. Not too far from the beach. It's actually where I'm walking to now. It's not actually a walking distance for some people, but for me, I got here early to my Airbnb, so just want to move around a bit, you know, and get a feel for this area, get a feel for this place. The weather is very favorable right now. It's a little bit warmer than I expected it to be. I thought it was going to be a lot cooler, but it's way warmer than I expected it to be. So I went and changed into some shorts and some sandals, you know what I'm saying, keep it African style or whatever. But the weather is lovely, yo. It's clear skies right now, birds chirping, you know how it is. Nice little breeze coming through. It's nice so far. Next thing I want to talk about is how easy it is to move around. It's fairly simple. They have tuk-tuks everywhere. They have bodas everywhere. Private taxis everywhere. They have public transportation here. Bus services here. The bus service is extremely organized. I want to save that for another video because I have not experienced a bus service like this since I've been here, because I've been in UG this whole time. Not saying that UG does not have bus services. They do. When I say bus, I mean like public ones that goes around town, short areas around town, not buses that go from one country to another country or one district to another district or something like that. You know, normal buses that you can take around town. They have bus stops in many areas, stuff like that. So it's very organized here from what I see. It's actually very organized, and I enjoy this organization a lot. It's a nice change of pace compared to where I was. Another thing I've noticed is how people build here. It's nothing like how they do it in UG, where UG, they build like right on the side of the road. Literally, you see how this is? It's a little bit off the road. Compared, the road is here, and it's off the road. In UG, the building will be just right there, so leaves you nowhere to really walk. Here, there's plenty of space around to walk, so you don't have to be worried about it getting hit by a car. Cars out here be moving fast, yo. I was saying it's a nice space to walk around, you know. It's not as bad or congested as it is in UG. I can also tell that a lot of the infrastructure here, as far as drainage areas for drainage trenches, sewage lines and stuff like that, are very well put together. I'm seeing a lot of storm drains and stuff like that everywhere, which is an alternate for walking. Like just here, the storm drain down there, but you could walk down there if you wanted to. Let me show you, see? Just a drain there. But you can walk down there if you wanted to. I'm walking over here on this sand path where everybody else walk at. And like I said, the infrastructure is pretty decent here. Like the roads, I've seen a lot more paved roads than I thought I would, honestly. And I try to come here with an open mind because, you know, UG has a lot of other things going on. I don't like to compare other countries to Uganda. So basically, this place reminds me of Kenya, but like a cleaner, more upkept version. But I've only been in Kenya for like 4 days, so I can't really, I'm not gonna talk badly about Kenya or anything like that. Just where I was, it was just toe down. I've noticed something that I usually always notice in other countries I've been to here in East Africa. People don't really stare at you like that over here. Maybe I'm just not in the area where they do it, but for the most part, folks ain't really staring at me like that. They'll look and they mind their business. As I was saying, for those of y'all who know me, you know how I am. You know that's one of the things that bothers me a lot, is being looked at, you know what I'm saying? Is this why I'm so much different or whatever? But for the most part, from what I noticed, folks out here ain't concerned with me. Maybe I look the same, maybe I look like a local. I'm not sure. But if people they're not staring at me, they're not concerned with what I got going on, you know? It's not that big of a deal, I suppose. Maybe because I got my phone out, so I get a couple looks, but when I don't have my phone out, nobody looking at me like that. I will say this, a lot of property out here looks really, really, really nice. Man, this whole area, this beachside area, beautiful over here. It's so nice over here, you know? Chinese building. This building over here I'm about to show you is a Chinese building. It's probably developed and owned by Chinese. But I'm walking over to the beach now. The beach is just up ahead in front of me. Beautiful blue water. Wow, that water is so blue. It's amazing. I'm actually surprised though. TZ is not as green as UG. TZ, excuse me. They say Z out here, not Z. Z means shit, I think. So TZ is very nice, but it's not as green as I thought it would be. Uganda is just so much green everywhere. I'm not saying it's not green out here, don't get me wrong. It's beautiful out here. It's just, I'm telling you, you go to Uganda for the first time, you know exactly what I mean. It's absolutely just green everywhere. So this building is the one I was talking about. It's an apartment complex here. I saw some Chinese stuff out front. Same as how I would see in UG. If it's a Chinese building, they always put their things on it. So, I finally reached what? The beach. Wow, this water looks absolutely amazing. You guys, I'm in awe right now because it's like, this is what I came to see. It's things that I came to do. Man, it's fucking awesome out here, you know? I'm definitely about to fly my drone. I know exactly how long it's been since I've been to the ocean. Since I left America. It's the last time I've been to the ocean. I've been lakeside for a long time now. But look at this. Smelling that ocean water. Brings back so many memories. Many, many, many memories. Growing up by the ocean all my life in Norfolk and Virginia Beach, you know. But it's nothing like this. The water out here is just absolutely amazing. It's so blue. It's got this like teal color actually. I only seen water like this in Jamaica. Water in UG, the lake is not so clear like this, so you won't see it this clear. But yeah, I'm about to fly my drone. I wonder if I should do it from here. I don't want anybody to disturb me, but ain't that many people over here, so I should be okay.